Okay, YouTube, so Paul Bates here, day 22, and busy day yesterday, I can tell you guys that. So market mixed, you got the Dow down, the NASDAQ is up, and the S&P is down, so I don't know what that says, but anyway, for what it's worth. Cryptos are up this morning, keto's on hold still. Today is my last day of steroids, so tomorrow I'll get back and hit the keto hard. Yesterday I had to do a couple of the things with folded metal, very cool. We had to ship a liner, we had to go to Powder Coat and pick up one of our liners. We were out of the colors, so right now we have blue, black, and red, Can-Am red. It's actually orange. Daisy went for a long walk, and then we went over to the Moto Zoo here and worked on another project. We're working on a little door for the razor, so it'll fit the 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021 razors, and it's on the right hand side there. They have this little screen here. I'll show you a picture, and you can eliminate that and put this door in there, and then you can store it, and we're going to make it lockable so you can put your wallet or anything that you need in there, even a gun or something like that. So anyway, that's a project that we're working on right now, and it's turning out super, super cool. This is exciting to see one of these come along and how many times we have to redo it, and the thought and all the process that goes into it. Do we put a handle? Do we not? Anyway, super cool. Yesterday, also something I did is I went over my gun inventory. So I laid out all the guns. I don't even know what I really owned over the last few years. I've been not collecting or buying, but I have a few guns, so I just kind of went over them, see how much trouble I'm in if this thing has to go Mad Max. It's not going to happen. We're too civilized, but at least I know how much ammo I have, what guns I have, and where I can improve on that. Anyway. Someone looked at the X3 yesterday too. So right now, last week, you guys know the motorhome went. Got the X3 up for sale. My original plans are in 2021 to buy a 2021 brand new X3 RCRR. I'll stick to the same car, but I'm not sure exactly. I'm also looking at the Roxar, and so we'll see. Not exactly sure what's going to happen with all that, but keeping my options open. So yesterday I did a couple videos. I did 3 videos actually. A very busy day. I did my daily blog, and then I did one on buying a troller, and then I did a WW3 video. So check those out on my other channel. For anybody who wants to be educated on what's going on in the financial, I don't want to call it financial, but financial and political world. So anyway, it's exciting to me. And seeing it through my eyes and what's going on and stuff like that. And when you see stuff actually starting to transpire of what these people are saying, I mean, it's going to get real quick. So anyway, Paul Bates, this is our daily blog. Peace out. We love you guys. Daisy says, what do you want to say, girl? You got anything to say at all? Nothing? Give me some more treats? Okay, we'll get her some more treats. Anyway, peace out. We love you guys. And day 22 still no stimulus checks. Haven't seen anything, and not sure if I don't know if we'll ever see it. A little video I watched last night said the guys that are closest to the money win, and what they mean by that is this $2 trillion. The people that are right next to they get that 1.5 trillion. The U.S. People only get a 1/4 of that. And they're the furthest away from the money. So we'll see. Anyway, Paul Bates, peace out. Love you guys. Have a good day. And those of you guys that have jobs, be careful out there on your jobs and practice your social distancing. We love you guys.